You're right there, guys. Now we're back in the workshop today, and I have
Violet.
Violet's here with me again. And today, what are we going to build today?
A birdhouse.
Do you know why we're building a birdhouse?
For the birds.
For the birds. So what are the birds going to be doing?
Looking for a nest.
Looking for a nest, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because what season is it now?
Spring.
Spring. So Violet is now going to mark out the wood, and then I'll cut it up for her, and then you can fit it all together, can't you? Let's do that. I have a diagram here of what we're actually going to be marking out. I'll probably put it up on the screen so you can actually see what we're doing. I've got the other child here with me today. Willow,
Hi.
say hi. Hi. Let's get these marked out, okay, Violet?
Yeah.
First one, 200 millimeters. Let's go.
We made us what we need. Now Daddy is gonna cut them. This is the bottom of the box. I need to drill holes for the ventilation.
Ready, turn it on. Keep that flat against the base, yeah? Keep your fingers well away from the drill bit. Now pull it down. Push it back up, push it. Yeah?
We're gonna do the sides and the bottom to the back and back.
Pull it towards you. That's it. And then this one. Oh, wait. That side there. Hold it. And glue. That's it. Stop. Right, and then put one in here, there, push the button, and one there, then one there, one there, there, one there, one there, and then one there. Alright, Daddy, put the first one in. Alright, and then you can put the rest in. Go. Whoa. There you go. So, what's it going to be like when the birds go in?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, but we're missing this.
The
Wait,
hole!
No, it meant to be here.
The hole's meant to be at the top.
No.
Yes, at the top. Birds fly. Right, so we need a hole, don't we? Before we hammer that in, right, do you want to give it a sand?
Yeah.
Right.
Sand.
Go on then. Okay.
That's strong.
Right. So then put the peg on
And now
and then hammer it in.
We now have a house for a bird to live in. I learned about measuring on this project and I had lots of fun. I'm going to hang this up and wait for the birds to come.